In this episode, the series interviews Leila Noor, a frontline activist who turned urban waste into community art and jobs. Leila shares how she started by collecting discarded materials, hosting repair days, and building trust to curb consumption. Her tips include a monthly repair routine, a 10-item wardrobe, and a local swap circle that cuts waste. She explains why tracking impact matters, using simple monitors to trim energy, water, and plastic without sacrificing comfort. The takeaway urges viewers to pick one habit this week, document progress, and invite a neighbor to join.